Hello, good morning साथियों. I want to discuss leaf spring mounting. Leaf spring mounting, this is a damage, complete damage. Look. This is a complete damage, leaf spring mounting. This is a process to how to remove this. I explained before. But now also I want to again explain. This bolt you first need to this oil, put here or apply oil to easily. This is a thread, is a fine thread. Apply this oil, and this is slowly this open this 4 bolt leaf spring mounting bolt, and after that this 4 bolt this is upside, and after that this is a easily also this is a put downside. This is look, I replace pipe. This is easily wall. This is a pipe you put here, downside pipe. Look, you put the downside, backside this is a bin, and this is a lift up easily, and you can fix proper, and after that you can replace easily. We have changed already 1 piece, and also this 2 pieces mounting replace. Look, now this life is very good. This will be long life working, long life this work, this mounting, long life work. But you time to time not change. Maybe this is broken, you don't care. After that, your tie rod, this tie rod will be damaged. Look, I want to show you. This tie rod will be damaged. This bush, this mounting is broken. Our time to time you not change, not care. After that, this is damaged. This will be also damaged, and also this tie rod also damaged. Look, this here is also this is damaged. Look, because this is broken, and after that this is also the broken. Now also we will replace this new one. We will change this also. Look, when this is broken or not, you change time proper, not inspection. After this is jerk. When working, this is moving front and back. This is jerking and broken everything. Also sometime maybe leaf spring broken. Maybe this is also here broken, and also here. Also here is nipple. Here is the nipple. Look, now also greasing here. This is a greasing point. Look, this is a greasing point. Generally here need to greasing. Here greasing need to sometime, no every day, sometime. Inside this is a spherical plain bearing. Not you greasing time to time. This is a complete damage and broken. This is everything. But this is a very expensive. This is very expensive because you must greasing here, and you are not greasing here. After this is broken, and this is come outside, and this is here maybe touching outside. You can easily find out here is touching, and touching, and this is come out. So you understand this is inside bolt is broken. Also this is observed. And also our champion is going to here. This is 4 clip work ongoing. Also 4 clip engine. Today dismantle head take off. Look, head take off. This is a head take off, and now we are going to. This is a piston take off, and we will find out what happened inside. Now liner is good, not a scoring mark, nothing. But this is a complete. This is complete need to rectify and proper need to check which material is damaged inside. But now tire fixing ongoing. Looks This tire is solid tire. This is a solid tire. Look, solid tire. This is a solid tire, not air. Not air, not tube, not tubeless. This is a solid tire. One time you fix, long time working. You will use long time, very long time. One time you can change this tire, or you can work in 24-hour run machine without maintenance. No tire, nothing need, but operator need to good. Not rolling tire. Maybe tire is roll out. After that, this group will be very damaged very soon. The proper operator need. This is not need to race. Damage. Da. Da, конечно. Now four tire changing ongoing. A tire is also look this tire. This tire is also solid tire. Solid tire. Look. This is a tire size 6.50-10. This is a tire model. And this truck is for Chinese truck, and our champions, both champion tire fitting ongoing. Looks. Our champion, very strong and powerful. Как дела, брат? Что, хорошо пойдет? Что поставили подушка? Рессоре подушка? А это тоже другой надо посмотрю, ну? Да, тут или хорошо, или нет хорошо. Это лево поменял, это право надо посмотрю, ну? Правее надо право. Да, так будет. Looks, this is a easily job, guys. You work properly, you know how to work, but you can take a easily work. If you know how to work, you learn everything. You can take it easily. Every job is very easily. If you don't know how to work, this is a very difficult job and take a time. This gun is pneumatic gun. This is a pneumatic. Воздух નથી, давай. Это compressor. Включай compressor. And also this is a new tire. Also another forklift. We want to replace. We will change another forklifts new tires. But that forklift is working now. Look, everything is here. Look what is written here. Not for highway service. This tire not for highway के लिए, because this is not a air tire. This is a solid tire. This is only for using a steel plant. This tire only for using a steel plant, because a steel plant is there many kills. Every day a lot of kills is go inside, lots of kills, no problem. Kills and nails, everything is go, but this is working, proper working, no problem. And this is a very good. Look, this is a model 28X9-15/8.15/15. Look, solid tire. This also is a rim side there. This is a company. It's a very good tire and very good and best performance, guys. Eta silni pak sili eta pakriska kolicho eta ochenega silnaya eta robust silni pakriska eta net problem eta kharasho pakriska eta rabotat. This is guy. This is a brake chamber. Look, this is a having problem. What is the problem? I will discuss. I will show you. Look, this is 11 number 11. This is 11. This is 2A. This is a hand brake, hand. This is a parking brake line and this is a service brake line. This is a go to bypass. This inside kit damage. This is inside kit damage. This air is coming from here. This is got damage. This parking brake air line, air coming from here. Service line. This is a inside piston. This is a inside piston. Ring is damaged. Inside piston seal has damage. For parking line, because because air is coming from here. Service line 11 number. This is need to dismantle and need seal change. Seal need to replacement new. Okay guys, have a nice day. If you want, thanks for lot guys, thanks for million watching my video guys, thanks for million watching my video, and be positive guys, be humble, be thankful, and God bless you guys, God bless you. Also guys, this is a solid tire. Look, also this is solid tire, complete. This is solid tire. Look, this is solid tire, not air, not tubeless. Look, this is solid tire. This is model 17.5-25. Что ты делаешь? Фильтр почистил?
Да.
Все хорошо?
Да, сейчас хорошо.
Давай пока. Okay guys, thanks for million watching my video guys, thanks for million, and be happy, help each other guys, help each other, because we are human being who need help, who needy guys. Of course we need to help, and we will learn together guys, and learn something every day new guys, learn something every day new, and move on, don't sit idle, move on and learn something every day guys, learn something every day new and move on guys. Be positive, be happy, and if you think positive guys, everything will be positive. And if you like my video guys, move on, follow for more guys. God bless you everyone, God bless you guys, God bless you all of you guys. Okay, bye guys, have a nice day.